How to use Hulu's Watch Party. Hulu Watch Party is a feature that allows you and your friends to stream shows or movies simultaneously, even if you are hundreds of miles apart. So, here is how to use it. First of all you have to do is open the Hulu website on a device, then simply click on the Watch or Start the Party option available there. If it is supported, you'll see an icon with three figures and play symbol to the right of the play button. Click this, followed by Start the Party in the subsequent prompt to begin your watch party. For TV shows, you can also start a party by clicking the three-dot menu button to right of each episode's thumbnail. Once the stream is open, click the chain link symbol to copy the invitation link. Then share the unique URL with whoever you want to join. When everyone is in and such accompaniments as popcorn and mood lighting are staged, click Start Party to begin the show. On the right side of the stream, you will see the chat window. Type messages to your friends and loved ones as you see fit. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.